Alright, y'all, we got everything strapped down, really. Most of this is going to one stop. So all this roofing right here, all this going to my first stop. So I got this side and the next side as all. Drywall and shit, this is stop 3. I got stop 4 on top of there, you know what I'm saying? Then it's stop 2 over there, so yeah, man, this should really be a walk in the park, you know what I'm saying? Only if I don't get fucked over, you know what I'm saying? I can say, yeah, this stop gonna be easy and shit, but you never know. You never know with trucking, man. You might run into some bullshit, you know what I'm saying? But before we dip, man, you gotta get your protein in, bro. This shit gonna be nasty as shit. I don't like this shit, bro, but it's, hey, man, we gotta get our protein in. With this shit, man, you gotta close your eyes and pray for the best, man. This shit is gross, yo. These motherfuckers is gross. Got a little bit more to go. Ah! Oh my God, this shit's fucking gross, man. Ugh. Let's hit the road. We made it to our first stop, man. I'm not really lying, bro. I'm tired of this shit, man. I'm not really lying. This shit was like a 50-minute drive all the way out here to the first stop. I'm falling asleep behind the wheel and shit. I like to roll these straps up first because once I finish with this, I just hop right back in the truck where I'll hook the muffler back up, then hop right back in the truck and pull it straight off to the next stop, you know what I'm saying? Look at this shit, nigga, drive, yo. What's the thing, bro? Like, they see straps in the middle of the road and think it's like spikes. Nigga come to complete stops. Like, bro, just drive that shit. But my second stop is only 4 minutes from here. I only got 4 today. You know what I'm saying? So I'm taking my time. I don't want to get back to the warehouse super early. The thing about that, they send you out for a number term, you're not even getting paid for the extra term, you know what I'm saying? You're getting paid the same amount of money, so you want to take your time here. Because what you rather do, get off at 11 or 10? You know what I'm saying? I can get off right now. With these 4 stops, I'll be back at the warehouse by 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Going slow. So where I'd rather get back at 10 or what I want to get back at fucking damn near 1 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Because that's all they're gonna do, just send you right back out. Damn, I didn't even. What the fuck I was doing, though? Because that's all they're gonna do, just send you right back out where you came from, bro. Besides giving it to the extras. Besides giving work to the extras that's just sitting there collecting a free check, waiting for work. They actively looking for work, bro. Besides giving it to them, they rather you to get it. You know what I'm saying? They rather you drive from all the way to DC. One time, bro. Make sure that's buckled up, or you ain't gonna know. One time, I went from all the way from West Virginia. All the way from West Virginia. Get back to the warehouse at like a 10 o'clock. Probably like 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Only had 2 stops, but I'm all the way in West Virginia, man. Getting from West Virginia to Maryland, that's damn near 2 hours, you know what I'm saying? On a good day. Don't let it be traffic or that shit's gonna be like 3 hours. I get back from the fucking warehouse, all the way to the warehouse from West Virginia. These niggas gonna send me right back out for a second term. You know what I'm saying? Going to fucking DC. Like that's the shit about this job. I'm waiting for these cars to go ahead, yo, because they act like they clueless. That's the thing about this job, man. They do dumb ass shit for no reason. You know what I'm saying? There's a car right there, so we gotta put our booms in. So we don't hit this bit, you know what I mean? Bring it out. Shift it a little bit, bring that bitch out. Drop it. I'm gonna take two at a time. So I'm gonna put this bitch right here for real. I'm gonna put this right here and grab another one. Put that bitch on top. There we go. Nice and neat. Bring that bitch down. Going from the bottom. Lift that bitch up. That bitch already in. Alright, let's go. Easy work, man. Easy work. You know what I'm saying? Easy work. It took me longer than I expected, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, we at our second to last stop. You might as well say our last stop because this is our last stop, bro. Put it like that. We got two more stops, man, but this is our last stop, bro. Yeah, on the side. Let's go. right, man, we got everything nice and strapped, ready to deliver our last load. With that being said, man, this is the end of this video. But if y'all like when I strap up the camera to my chest and actually bring y'all along with me to work, let me know in the comments, man. I'm gonna try to stay consistent with it. You know what I'm saying? It's nice and easy just throwing the phone on the chest and start recording. You know what I'm saying? It's just a little awkward doing it in public, but you know what I'm saying? Whatever for y'all, man. But just let me know in the comments, man, and I'll catch you on the next one.